So now comes the fun part. If you've never used figs before, this is all sticky, and the latex feel in it leaves this sticky, especially the ones you've cooked in. You have this film around it, and you can sit here and scrub all day long and still touch it and it'll still feel sticky. So what I do, I rinse this to get the excess sticky out. And I use olive oil. Doesn't matter what kind of oil, it can be any type. I pour a generous amount, like a couple of spoonfuls of olive oil in here, and I rub it on every surface there is in here. If you need it on the outside, if the outside's sticky. Because this, right here where this is, you can scrub and that will not come off very easily. You can scrub all day and you'll still tomorrow have a sticky film on your pots. But the olive oil, or whatever oil you use, will cut it. And I put it on there all the way around, and where you feel the bottom and everything. If you feel like there's a spot that's not coming out with your fingers, you can take like a scratchy or something to give it a little bit of help in the rough spots. You can tell when you finally get it broke loose, it's smooth again. Make sure at the bottom, because that, and this is why I like stainless. I do all my stainless cookware, the spoons and stuff too, because that film will get on these and it will not come off. I don't care how many times. I guess if you run it through a dishwasher and you have a dishwasher, it might. I don't have a dishwasher. All right, now we're going to make some soapy water. Not sticky. No sticky film left in here. I miss my canning kitchen because I got a big sink out there to do this in. But this takes the film and there's no sticky. Oil is the secret to getting big film out of your pots and pans.